It's always been a passion of mine since I was little bitty, and that's just, I did it through high school, and I just love it. I've been riding since I was 3. My family always had horses. My siblings had horses, and we've just always had them, and I've always rode. I started running barrels probably when I was 5. Hey. My dad and my best friend's grandpa would take us to the play days and rodeos, and they would tell us if we're going to do it, then put our heart into it. I like the speed, and I like the challenge and working with my horse. It's just something I love to do. It's just my passion.